To get instant relief from headache, mix salt and clove powder and make a paste and drink it with milk. The headache will subside in a few minutes. Apart from this, heat the clove slightly and grind it and apply its paste on the head to get rid of headache. Garlic is a natural painkiller. Grind some cloves and squeeze them and drink its juice. This will give quick relief from headache. Pain starts due to tension in the muscles of the head. Massage the neck, head and shoulders to reduce this tension. Those who do yoga, exercise and meditation daily complain less of headache. If you want to get rid of headache, put ice cubes in a clean cloth and make an ice pack. By keeping it on the head for 10 minutes and removing it, the headache will start getting cured in a short time. Mix a little saffron and almond oil and smell it. The headache will start reducing. Do this remedy 2 to 3 times to get quick relief. Sometimes headache also occurs due to lack of sleep. In such a case, make tea by adding cloves, cardamom and ginger and drink it. This will make the headache disappear immediately. Drinking ginger tea is a good way to reduce stress and refresh the mind. If there is a headache due to gas in the stomach, then mix lemon juice in 1 glass of lukewarm water and drink it. This will provide relief from both stomach gas and headache. If there is a headache due to cold and cough, then mix sugar and coriander in water and drink it. This will provide relief from cold and headache. If there is a headache due to excessive heat, then massage the head with coconut oil. This will cool the head and get relief from pain.